Alright, so let's talk about links. Okay, how do we create a link? Okay, over here you can see that we are literally we are continuing to the text formatting that we were writing, but let me go ahead and write another heading. So it's gonna be an H2. Remember, you go down, you don't write two H1s. And now we will say links. Okay, how to link, how do you link? So that's what we're going to study today. We know that links are really important because it helps us to go somewhere from one page to the other one. You know, it's like transportation. It's like a private transportation in a computer. And whenever you click on a link or a button, it takes you somewhere. And that's what we're going to study today. This video is going to be super short and it's simple right away. So let's go ahead and talk about links. So when you want to write a link, you simply create a link by writing an anchor tag. This is an anchor tag. Okay, once you have an anchor tag, the only thing that is left is for you to write an href. So href, remember, even here at the top we used an href, and I want you to know that href is used for linking something, and this is where the link of the page you want to see when the user click goes. So let's try right now. If we refresh, you will see that there is nothing under here but there is a link somewhere here. Let's go ahead and open it with Chrome. Open with Chrome. Okay, good. So you can see that we have links here, and there is nothing, of course. But if we go ahead and inspect this page, you will see that inside the body we have that href that I was talking about. Okay, so in short, the link is here. You can see if I hover here, they will show you something under the link. You see? So we wanna make sure the user sees this link. We can simply do that by going back to the code, and we can say click here to start. Okay, so we are telling the user to click here to start. If we go back and refresh the page, you can see that we have that link already. Click here to start. If we click on that link, it will not take us anywhere. Why? Because we did not put anything in this button, in these two codes. So let's say we want to go somewhere. Let's say maybe YouTube. Yeah. If we wanna, no, let's say squirrel. Squirrel. How do you even spell squirrel? Is it Q? Yeah, it's that. Okay, let's say we want to go to this image, to the squirrel. Okay, so if we right click and we say copy image address, now we copied the link that takes us to this image. If we come back here and just paste that link, you can see it's long, and then when we come back to this page and refresh, now you can see that the link is now ready. You can see the link under here. I just tried to drag it. We have that link. Click here to start. If I click to start, they take me to the squirrel. Isn't this cool? So this is how you create links. It's simple. If you have any question, go ahead and ask. I will be happy to answer you. Until then, But one thing. But how do you go to other pages? That's the challenge I want you to think about. How do you go to other pages? To go to other pages, consider it just like a link. Okay, let's say we have our 5-minute website. You see, Jonathan loves to eat rice. This is our 5-minute website we did last time. Let's say we want to go to our 5-minute website. By clicking here, you will go to your 5-minute website. So maybe let's say go to 5-minute website. Okay, and then all I will have to do is to write that because it's in the same root. I will say 5-minutes.html, and that's the link. If I come back to my page, refresh, go to 5-minutes website, if I click on it, they will say Jonathan loves to eat rice. And this rule is the exact rule that works on stuff like this. If you want to go home, okay, if you want to go to syllabus, we used href. Alright, well, thank you so much. If you have any question, let me know, but until then, I will see you in the next video.